This is part 3 of Get Taller and Improve Your Posture. Here's another video for you warriors to get taller and work on your posture. Things that we can do at any age to improve how we're standing and look a little bit taller. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Subscribe to this channel. We'll be doing more videos like this, along with motivation. We're going to jump right into this video, part 3, to get taller and improve your posture. Let's do these stretches in sequence. Now, there is no particular time that you need to do these poses. I personally like to stretch in the morning, but you can also do this any time in the day. Most importantly, that you stick to it and are consistent. So to get started, you just find a standing position, reach your arms up overhead, you're gonna extend through your left fingertips, and right hand comes down towards the floor. You're gonna pull in those opposite directions, and then cross over the body a little bit. Really start to lengthen up through the left side, and then switch. So you're gonna bring the right arm up, left hand down by your side, and then pull and switch. Now we're gonna do that a little bit faster. Ready? Reach and reach. Imagine you're reaching for, I'll say an apple because I'm in the Big Apple. New York. Reach and reach, reach. You might feel this in your core too. Let's go for 10 more seconds. Keep reaching. These feel good throughout the day too. Reach, reach, 2 and 1. So as you come on back up, draw the shoulders down, away from the ears. You're going to take the palms together in this second one. And I'll show you this from the side view. And you reach your arms up overhead. And as you bend the elbows, you kind of nestle your head into where your hands are. So you create this little pocket. It's not like this, it's like this. And you're leaning back. So here, press your head in towards the arms. Keep pressing back, 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 back. This helps to open up the front body, your shoulders, right, and also works on strengthening the neck muscles. So hold for 3, 2, and 1. Relax them down by your side. Let's do it again. Palms together, reach it up, elbows bend. Now if you don't have the same flexibility or mobility in the shoulders, that's okay too. You can still do the same thing here. Hands to the back or here, and press. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. We're going to do that one more time. Palms together, back of the head, and press on back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, release. Now we're going to stretch the shoulders, but in a forward fold position. So you'll interlace the hands at the small of your back. If this is too much for you, you can also use a towel. But bend your knees generously and let the arms extend up overhead. Keep a bend in those knees. Maybe you do a little bounce in the arms. Helps open up the front of the chest. Relaxes your neck. We just did quite a bit in the arms. And relax into this. Let your neck be loose. And relax that on out. Shake out the shoulders. So as you come onto all fours. So from a tabletop position, extend your left arm out in front, your right leg out behind, and you're reaching long. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and exhale, draw it in. And again, open, inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale, draw it in. Inhale, open up. One more. Keep reaching, reaching. 2, there's energy moving. And then lower your left hand down. Just gonna stretch the side so let your right foot come down, open the right arm up towards the sky. Open, open, open. And then we switch. So now with your right hand down, you start out in tabletop. It's your left leg and your right arm. Reach through the fingertips. Reach through the ball of your foot. 3, 2, strengthens your back, your core. Next out, draw it in. Again, in turn, gets the blood moving and helps with your posture. Reach. 3, 2, and then draw it in, exhale. And let's do one more, reaching. And exhale, draw it in. Open up. Now the right hand comes down, left foot, and the left arm up towards the sky. And lower back down. This next one called puppy pose. Ranhatasana if you're in the yogic world. So you have your hips over your knees and you start to walk the hands out in front of you. Now you can stay here. Maybe your forehead comes down. If your upper back allows, you can let your chin drop down. You want to keep your hips over your knees. That's the important part. You start to melt your upper back, your heart down towards the floor. This helps really with your posture, again, preventing that rounding forward. Deep breath in, full breath out. And then come on back up. Cobra pose, kind of similar, but we're working the upper back. Start from your belly. Here the thighs are down towards the mat. Lift your upper back, then press into your palms. Chest is forward. Take the shoulders, roll them down away from your ears. Hold 3. Your arms don't have to be straight here. 2. And then lower back down. We're going to do that again. Inhale, lift. Then press. Deep breath in. And then relax on down. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. And exhale, lower all the way down. Take a breath, inhale. And exhale. So I'm pressing into downward facing dog. Again, traditional yoga pose. Palms are pressing down. Have a bend in the knees. Start out just extending your spine. This gets the blood moving through your entire body, especially the back of the body. Then you can start to pedal the legs out, moving your hips, whatever feels good. You feel the grounding down through the palms. Deep breath in. And exhale. Transition, inhale, shift forward, plank. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, plank. Downward facing. Inhale. Downward facing dog. 2 more. Inhale, shift forward, plank. Downward facing. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. So now this is all prep. Walk your feet to the front of your floor or mat. Inhale to a long spine. And exhale, forward fold. So we're going to do 3 sun salutations. Inhale, rise all the way up. Hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Long spine, inhale. Back plank or jump back. Low push up. Upward facing to downward facing. Full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more inhale. Full exhale. Step or hop in front of the mat. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, forward fold. Rise. And exhale, hands to heart. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, folding. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, plank. Inhale, shift. Lower, exhale. Your upward dog, inhale. Downward facing, exhale. 3 breaths in and out. In. Exhale. 1 more in. Full exhale. Inhale, long spine. Exhale, forward fold. Rise. And hands to heart. 1 more, inhale. Exhale, fold. Inhale, long spine. Exhale to lower. Upward dog to downward facing. Bend your left knee and grab the top of your left foot. If that's not accessible to you, you can use a strap or a towel around your left foot. If there's space, you start to work your foot in towards the elbow. Then the right arm comes up overhead. So it opens the whole front body. You'll see it much clearer on the other side. It's okay if you fall over. Just make sure there's no pain in your knees. Holding 3, 2, and then relax on down. So you're going to switch sides. You're going to sweep your left foot forward. Again, come onto your left shin. Be your right leg behind you now. This thigh is wrapped down towards the floor. Bend your right knee, reach back behind you, and grab for the foot. The option of taking your foot in towards your elbow, that's available. Maybe. Left arm reaches up. So now you can see the full extension, how this opens the front of the body. And we hold 3, 2, and ready, relax on down. This right leg, you can repeat that as many times as you like. This right leg we're going to bring forward. We're actually going to come into a squat. So from a squatting position, maybe you're up a little bit higher, maybe you're down all the way, like me. So you're going to extend the spine up and a little twist towards the left. This right arm can be straight too. And then switch. Arm down, reach that arm up. Maybe press into your knee a little bit. And then 1 more each side. To the left. And twist. And then come on back to center. The importance with this one is you're getting your body moving, focusing on your posture, increasing your blood flow. And at the end of the day, if you get taller from it, fantastic. If you improve your posture, even better. Above all, have fun with it, feel good, and accept exactly where you are. That's the real yoga and the real success. Subscribe to this channel at Live Free TV and follow me over on Insta at Live Free Warrior. Drop your comments below, your successes, what you're working on, and I will see you in an upcoming video here on the channel.